Flying the Commander. It's a little windy today, but we'll take her up anyway. Let's test her out. Flaps up. Oh yeah. Wow. Yeah, it's windy today, guys. Probably not smart flying, especially at my field behind my house, but we'll take her and see how she goes. We're not going to do anything stupid today. Or not. That was full throttle. That's a stall, guys. Went up and just went straight back down. That's okay. Up and then over. Yeah, that wind. I'm in mid rates. Might have to get out of mid rates. Might be a short flight today, guys. Just got a gun or more. Drop her down. Woof. Love this plane. Doing well in the wind. Not bad. Not bad. All right, I'm gonna take her in though. I've crashed too many planes lately and don't want to do another one.